I can't bear this any longer. I can't bear this any longer. Do you have time on Friday morning? Do you have time on Friday morning? Talk to you later. Talk to you later. It has been raining all day long. It has been raining all day long. I live in London. I live in London. My birthday is 7th May. My birthday is 7th May. I will come another day. I will come another day. Sorry, I don't live around here. Sorry, I don't live around here. Who is calling, please? Who is calling, please? He is quite a nice man, or he is fine fellow. He called me a liar. He called me a liar. Long time no see. Long time no see. It seems to me as well. It seems to me as well. How is everything? How is everything? Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please. I could do the sum. I could do the sum. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? What day is it, please? What day is it, please? It has been raining for days together. It has been raining for days together. He can't speak English as I can. He can't speak English as I can. I was born in September. I was born in September. The price of gold will not go down. The price of gold will not go down. I like reading books and love to swim. I like reading books and love to swim. What time did you make it? What time did you make it? I have not yet seen him. I have not yet seen him. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. I don't like a liar at all. I don't like a liar at all. Sorry, but I don't know that. Sorry, but I don't know that. I have never seen a fool like you. I have never seen a fool like you. No one could do it. No one could do it. It's always a pleasure to see you. It's always a pleasure to see you. See you later. See you later. Either this or that. Either this or that. I like reading books. I like reading books. It's 10:30 at night. It's 10:30 at night. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. I live in Chicago. I live in Chicago. What's the date today, please? What's the date today, please? Help yourself, please. Help yourself, please. How have you been keeping? How have you been keeping? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.